Good afternoon and welcome to another week of the AR Data Weekly Advisor Movements for the 27th of January 2023, powered by Advisor Ratings. So for this week, we've actually seen a net gain of 11 advisors. Now that includes 28 advisors leaving with 39 returning. We've seen 8 switch licensees and 7 new joiners. So this leaves us with a total for the week of 15,867. So who's new? I'd like to welcome to the industry Stefan Russo from Money Options, Ryan Gropel to AMP, and Daniel Trifunovic from Australian Unity. Welcome to the industry, guys. And on to the biggest gains. This week, we've seen Questus Capital Group with 1 new advisor, bringing them to 1. Lifespan Financial Planning with 2 new advisors, bringing them to 259, a 42% gain since 2018. Next Generation Advice has 2 new advisors, bringing them to 10. Hester with 3 new advisors, bringing them to 41. And AAN Wealth with 5 new advisors, bringing them to 32. On to the biggest losses. Horsey Jameson Bird has 1 loss, bringing them down to 5. Sayers has 2 losses, bringing them down to 5. Count has 2 losses, bringing them to 277. Interprac with 2 losses to 271. And Synchron with 2 losses down to 301. That's a 41% drop since 2018. And that is all for this week, guys. Thank you for sticking around. And don't forget to claim your profile on advisorratings.com.au. And also remember that the landscape survey finishes up on the 31st of Jan. So getting quick to have your say on the advice space, including software providers, research houses, investment consultants, life insurers, and platforms. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you have a lovely weekend and enjoyed your Australia Day. I'll see you again next week. Cheers.